Hello and welcome to Magnetic Learning. In this session, we are going to learn about word problems based on measures of length, mass and capacity. So, let's get started. Problem number 1. A greengrocer sold 35 kg 590 gram of onions, 52 kg 450 gram of potatoes and 18 kg of tomatoes in a day. What is the total mass of vegetables he sold in that day? So here, when you're reading the question, you are going to follow the same concept, the same strategy as you follow for your other word problems. Read the question, understand the question well, find out what your question is asking you to do, which basic operation the question is asking you to do, whether you have to add, subtract, multiply or divide. Now here, what do you understand? What is the total mass? So the word total is a keyword. It's a keyword to understand that the question is asking you to do. Yes, you're right. Addition. The word total is a keyword to understand addition. So we have to do addition. We have to add the numbers over here to find out the total mass of vegetables sold in a day. So here we're going to proceed with the solution. Let's go and solve. Solution: mass of onions sold. So what is the amount? What is the mass? 35 kg 590 gram of onions were sold. So what mass of potatoes were sold? Mass of potatoes sold 52 kg 450 grams. And then mass of tomatoes sold 18 kg only. No, nothing mentioned in gram. So only 18 kg. So these numbers with the units mentioned are needed to be added. We have to take this to the working column. So we have to find the total mass of vegetables sold. Total mass of the vegetables sold 35 kg 590 gram plus 52 kg 450 gram plus 18 kg. So take this to the working column, and after arranging the numbers in the proper column, put all the kg numbers in the kg unit column and all the gram in the gram unit column. Since 18 is in the 18 kg column and we do not have any number in the gram column, so what are we going to do? We are going to put 3 zeros. Okay, nothing means 0 over there. So we're going to put 0 and then you carry out your addition as you do simple addition. Same way you're going to add. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. Shift 1. Then 5 plus 1 6. Plus 4 is 10. And then 1 shift. Then add all the 4 numbers. 5 plus 1 6, 7 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. Shift 1. And then comes your 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So here comes your answer as 106 kgs and 40 grams. Okay, this is 0 over here. That means nothing is here. Okay, so your representation of number is of only 2 digit. So only 40 gram. So don't write, even if you write doesn't matter, but 0 before the number will have no value. So just write 40. 106 kg and 40 grams. Let's see another example. Problem number 2. The question says the length of the rope is 95 meter. This is the total length of the rope. If a piece of 52 meters and 60 centimeter length is cut, what length of rope is left? Reading the question, you will understand that what basic operation the question is asking you to do. Here, the word left is the keyword. It's a keyword to which basic operation? Subtraction. So you understand that this question is asking you to do subtraction. So let's solve the problem. Solution. Total length of the rope equals to 95 meter. This is what we have come to know. This is the information given in the question, that the length of the rope is 95 meter. That means this is the total length of the rope. Yes, 95 meter. If a piece of 52 meter 60 centimeter length is cut, this is another information. So next statement will come, that is length of the rope cut. And what length of rope is cut? 52 meters 60 centimeter. And then the question is asking you what length of rope is left. So the question is therefore length of rope left equals to 95 meter minus 52 meter 60 centimeter. So we have to subtract 52 meter and 60 centimeter from 95 meters. For this we'll have to do working. Let's do the working. We'll arrange the numbers in meter and centimeter column as we have learned in addition and subtraction. Children, I have explained addition and subtraction in my previous video, which says addition and subtraction on measures of mass, length and capacity. So if you want to understand the topic better, you can refer to that video. The link is provided in the description box. So here we will subtract 0 minus 0 is possible. So 0, 0, and then from 6 cannot be subtracted from 0. Yes, nothing is here. So we need some number to subtract. So we'll make this 0 as 10. So we'll borrow 1 from the neighboring number from meters column, and then we'll make it 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Since we borrowed 1 from 5, so what number will remain over here? 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 42 meters 43 42 meters and 40 centimeters. 42 meters and 40 centimeters. Let's go to the next problem. Now what does the problem say? The problem says a can contains 7 liters 150 milliliter of oil. How much oil will such 8 cans contain? So this question is asking you to do something else, not addition or subtraction, some other basic operation. Now how will you understand that? That what basic operation the question is asking you to do. One can contains 7 liter 150 milliliter of oil, and the question is asking you from 1 to many. From 1 to many. So when we are going from 1 to many, then what do? Yes, we multiply. Right? We multiply to find that from 1 to many what will be the product? What will be the answer? So we will multiply the given number of milliliter, liter and milliliter with 8 to find the answer. So let's solve it to understand better. So here let's repeat the question. A can contains 7 liter 150 milliliter of oil. This is one single can's capacity is this much. So how much oil will 8 such cans? If one is containing this much quantity of oil, then if you have 8, then what will be the total quantity? Then what will be the quantity of oil in such 8 cans? To find that, let's see the solution. Quantity of oil in a can. A can means one can. 7 liters, 150 milliliter. Quantity of oil in 8 cans. To find 8 cans, what do we have to do? 7 liter 150 milliliter into 8. 1 and many. 1, the quantity for 1 can is mentioned and we are finding for many cans. So what we are going to do? We are going to multiply. So we will multiply 8 by 7 liter 150 milliliter. And so we will first convert 7 liter milliliter. 2 units are there. Let's convert this into milliliter. Let's convert this into smaller unit. Then only we will be able to multiply properly. So what are we going to do? As we have learned conversion, yes, conversion is also explained properly in my previous videos. The link is provided in the description box. If you want to refer the video, you can go and check out the link provided in the description box. So here 7 liter 150 milliliter will be converted into milliliter. And how the conversion will be done? 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So first we will have to convert 7 into milliliter. So 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So we'll multiply 7 by 1000 milliliter. And since 150 is already in milliliter unit, so we'll write it as it is, and then we will write we'll add these two numbers. 7 into 1000 is 7000. 7000 milliliter plus 150 milliliter equals to 7150 milliliter. And now we can multiply this by 8. And let's see this in the multiplication. Let's do the multiplication in the working column. 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, shift 4, 8 ones is 8 ones are 8, and plus 4 is 12, shift 1, and 8 7 56 plus 157. So the answer is 57,200 milliliter. But our question is not mentioned in milliliters only. It is represented in liter also. There are two units given, liter and milliliter. So we'll have to represent our answer in liter and milliliter. So we will have to write 57 liters 200 milliliter. Count 3 digits from your right. Okay, for milliliter 1, 2, 3, 200, and after that whatever number is left, okay, 5 and 7, 57 is left. So 57 will be represented as liters. I repeat, count 3 digits from your right. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 numbers will be represented as your milliliter. So 200 will be your milliliter, and the remaining numbers 5 and 7 will be represented as your liters, and so your answer will be 57 liter 200 milliliter, and then your statement will come, therefore 8 cans contain 57 liters and 200 milliliter of oil. Now let's go to the next question. Problem number 4. Problem number 4 says, Reena bought a piece of cloth measuring 45 meter 72 centimeter in length. She cut the cloth into 18 pieces of equal length. What is the length of each piece? Now this question is asking you to find the length of each piece. That means one particular thing. So when many is mentioned and you are asked to find one thing, then what do? What basic operation do you carry? You carry out division. Like in the previous question, one was given, the quantity for one can was given, and you were asked to find 8 such cans, right? For many, then you were doing multiplication. Here many is given and you are asked to find for one piece. That means you are going to carry out division. So let's get to the solution part. So here the solution will be first statement, which is very important in word problems. Length of cloth bought. What is the total length of cloth bought from the shop? 45 meter 72 centimeter. This is the length of the cloth bought by Reena. So after that she has cut the cloth into 18 pieces of equal length, right? So number of pieces cut. How many pieces were cut? 18. And all of equal length, right? 18 pieces were cut. What is the length of each piece? Therefore, the length of each piece, to find the length of each piece, what do we have to do? We have to divide. We'll have to divide 45 meter 72 centimeters by 18. And to divide this, we'll have to first convert this meter and centimeter, which is all in two different units. We'll have to convert this into one unit, one which is smaller. And which is smaller here, meter or centimeter? Centimeter is smaller, so we'll have to convert into centimeter. And that conversion, you know how to convert that into centimeter. So 45 meter plus 72 meter. We'll have to separate these two units. Okay. And then we know meter into centimeter. What is the relationship? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we'll multiply 45 into 100 centimeter plus 72 centimeter will be brought down as it is. Then 45 into 100 equals to 4500 centimeters plus 72 as it is will be brought down. After that, since the sign of plus is there between these two numbers, so we'll have to add these two numbers. 4500 centimeter plus 72 centimeters equals to 4572 centimeters. Now we have converted our meter and centimeter into centimeter. We have to convert the question, whatever question is given, okay, meter and centimeter or kg and gram or liter and milliliter, into one unit. We'll have to convert that into smaller unit. Okay, out of the two, we have to convert to the smaller unit. And after converting, we have to carry out the basic operation, whatever the question is asking to do. Here, the question is asking you to divide. So we will divide now. So 4572 will be divided by 18. And what will be the answer? To find that, let's do the division. 18 twos are 36. So 45 minus 36 is 9. Then we will bring down 7. Now we'll read the table of 18 to find 97. Since 97 doesn't come but smaller number 90 comes, 18 fives are 90. And then again we will subtract 97 minus 90 is 7. Again this 2 will be brought down. Now comes 72. So 18, how many times of 18 is 72? 18 fours are 72. So now this division is done and we have got the answer 254. So we have got the answer 254 centimeters. But our question is not in centimeters, meters and centimeters. So we'll have to represent our answer in centimeter and centimeter. How many digits are there in centimeter? 2 digits, right? 100, 2 numbers, right? So we'll represent centimeter in 2 digits, and whatever numbers are left, okay, count 2 numbers, 1, 2. So 54 will be represented in centimeters, and the number left out, which is 2, will be represented in meter. I repeat, 2 numbers we will count from the right, 1, 2. That becomes 54. 54 will be represented as centimeter, and the number which is left out, which is 2, will be written as meter. So your answer will be, therefore, length of each piece is equal to 2 meters and 54 centimeters. So students, if you have found this session to be interesting and helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Magnetic Learning. And for more videos like this, you can refer to the links provided in the description box. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.